wanting to make some extra money but you don't know where to start because you have school or you have your 9-to-5 job. First of all, you don't have to choose between your 9-to-5 job with a guaranteed monthly income or your school and an online job. You can do both, one full-time and one part-time. I get you for wanting more. Having a job doesn't mean that you have enough money for all your needs. And even though some people spend more than they earn, sometimes you are spending within your means, but your salary is just not enough. And the only way to get out of that situation is to find an extra job or an extra source of income. Hello guys, welcome back to me, talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you part-time jobs that are hiring worldwide. But before you get into this, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Number 1, aim for 8 tutors. This company is looking for both part-time and full-time tutors all around the world that can teach students of different grades from elementary school all the way to university. You choose the level you want to teach in, and they require you to have a bachelor's degree. You must have excellent written and verbal English skills. You must also be able to work during US, Europe, and Australian time zones, which I think is good because if you want a part-time job, you don't want something that's going to clash with your school or with your day job. As a tutor for this company, you must have your own laptop or computer and of course an access to Wi-Fi, and they require you to have passion for teaching, not just doing it for money. But I believe that passion can be derived. So if you really want this job, I think you can apply or you can derive passion for it. There is an email where you're supposed to send your application, and I will link it down below. In that email, you're supposed to include your location, like where do you want your student to come from or to be from, and you must also include the subject you want to teach. For this job, you don't necessarily need a B.Ed degree, but just any degree. They need a bachelor's degree. It doesn't matter if it's B.Ed or if it's Bachelor of Social Science or whatever. But of course, when you choose a subject, it should be something that you know or something that you study in university. The company will provide a whiteboard software which you don't have to pay for, and they will also teach you how to use the whiteboard. Unfortunately, they didn't say how much they pay per hour, but if you are interested in this job, please check the link below and apply. Number 2, Covents.com. Covents. Covents is a global company that focuses on pharmaceutical contract research. They have 10,000 people or 10,000 workers all around the world, and they operate in 25 plus countries, including South Africa. They are looking for home-based clinical research associates, and I know some of you guys went to school to study data science or something related to that, but you can't find jobs. Or maybe you already have a job but you want extra income. You can apply at Covents.com for extra income or to work part-time. The company does research in anything related to health, from TB to cancer to COVID and many other things. I think this is a good way to earn some extra money, especially if you have experience in this field of research. We all saw that having one job is very risky, so you do want to have multiple streams of income. If you have any experience or a degree related to this, please apply. Currently in South Africa, they have 29 job openings, or at least at the time of this video. Some of the jobs mentioned are clinical data associate and biostatistician. When I was browsing through their websites, I saw some jobs that didn't require you to have a data science degree or research related degree, but they want you to have like a BSc in biology or computer science or even mathematics, and the other one was engineering. So you should go there and check. Oh, and also statistics. Another important thing regarding this website, they did mention that they would never ask you to send your personal information such as your passport or ask you to send money. Please be aware of scammers and only apply via their website. I know desperation sometimes can make us not think clearly, but please be careful if you're applying for a job online. If a company wants a processing fee or application fee, I suggest you leave it. It's most likely a scam. Of course, I never recommend any scams in this channel, but I'm just saying in case you decide to broaden your search and you decide to apply for other jobs that I didn't mention in this channel. Number 3, Bunny Voiceovers. Bunny Voiceovers hires globally. If you have a nice voice, why not use it to get paid? This company pays you even if the customer rejects your project. As long as you are approved by the company's quality control team, you will get paid. Every time you send a project or a voiceover, the company will listen to it first and check the quality. With this company, you have the flexibility to set your own schedule, your own rate, and they have a calculator or a system that calculates rewards. If you have never done voiceover work before, I suggest you check Fiverr or Upwork to see what other voiceovers charge. That way you can know what to charge, and of course you can always modify it. So how do you find projects to work on? Unlike many other sites where you have to scroll and check for the project that you want, with Bunny Voiceovers, they send all the jobs directly to your email, which can be annoying because they can send multiple jobs per day, but you get all the jobs via your email and you can decide if you want the project or not. For the application process, there are 4 steps. Firstly, you have to create an account where you share personal information. Then you have to do an application project which you won't be paid for, but you must do your best because they will review it. If you pass, they'll ask you to verify your phone number, and please make sure you put in a phone number that works because they will send you a code and you need to put back that code. Step 4 is reading terms and conditions to start taking projects and making money. For this job, you make around $16 per hour on average. Number 4, graphic designer on Fiverr. I cannot stress enough how important it is to have a Fiverr account if you have any skill, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna focus on graphic design. First of all, you don't need a degree in order to start making money from graphic designing. If you have a degree, then that's great, but if you don't have, you can still make money on Fiverr. You just need to create an account and create simple designs. You can design YouTube thumbnails for other YouTubers, banners, landing pages, stickers, logos, etc. If you have a degree in this field, I assume you already know about Adobe, Photoshop, Canva, and all other apps. But if you don't have any degree and you want to start creating simple designs, you can use Canva for free, and you can also use paid version of Canva without paying a cent. You can do this by creating multiple emails, and it works. You didn't hear that from me. It works though, it does. For simple designs, you can make anywhere between $5 to $150. You really have nothing to lose if you try this out. Number 5, nestlecom. We all know this company. We buy different products from them. They currently have jobs even in South Africa, but this company mainly has full-time jobs and part-time jobs, hence I put it last. Currently they have broiler operator job in East London. They have a factory controller job and many other jobs. So if you have experience in technical production, management, marketing, and agriculture, please go check them out as well if you are in South Africa. I'm not sure about other countries, but I know in South Africa they do have job openings right now. Unfortunately for Nestle.com, most of their jobs require qualifications, but I still had to share because some of you guys do have qualifications and some of you already have jobs, but you just need an extra income. If you don't qualify for one of these jobs or you don't have the skill set, I suggest you check my other videos because I have different videos for students, part-time jobs. I also have no experience jobs. There are so many different jobs for different people. And that's it for today, guys. I wish you all the best, and more than anything, I wish you financial freedom. Don't give up, keep pushing. One last thing, stop procrastinating. Go look for a job suitable for you and apply now. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.